students. Here, let me take this off so you can see.
Okay.
Well, it's Miss Hillock here, and I wanted to do a little experiment for you guys so you can see that science is cool, because it is. And we have Mr. No here, who is also a scientist. He's filming for us. What did you study, Mr. No? What did you study?
Kinesiology.
Kinesiology. So he studied movement, and do you want to describe what kinesiology is for them?
Sure.
What is it?
That's the study of the human body, and then more specifically biomechanics and physiology also.
See, we have another scientist at our school. Isn't that great? So before we start, I want to explain some safety for you guys. So I'm wearing gloves because sometimes chemicals can be harmful to our skin. Nothing that we're using today is, but it's always good to practice that. And I have goggles because if something squirts in your eye or explodes, you don't want that in your eyeball. So that's that. And I also am wearing sneakers because you don't want anything to land on your feet either, especially sharp objects. And although we don't have any sharp objects today, it's just good to practice that. So one day if you're already in the habit of practicing safe science. So, let me get the bag. So we're gonna try and do a little explosion for you guys. I watched a video about it, but to be real with you, I haven't done it myself yet. So that's how science works, all right? You gotta try something for the first time. So I have my science notebook here, which I wrote down some instructions. So the first thing we're gonna do is add 1 cup of lemon juice to this bag. I hope everything fits in this bag. And students, this is a beaker. These really cool things that have that little pouring spout there, those are beakers. And we will be using those. Okay, the next thing to do is add a 1/2 cup of warm water. So I already measured all this out before. And then I put it in a beaker, so just so you guys know what's happening. Great. Now the next thing we're going to do is make a pocket of baking soda. So you have a paper towel here. All right, hopefully it stays still. We're gonna put, thank you, Mr. No. We're going to put a tablespoon and a half into our pocket. Is there a way to do this better than this? It'd be better if there's, okay, this is a great time to use one of our tools because it was really hard to just go like this and make sure it's exact. So I'm going to pour some baking soda into the beaker. And now I can scoop it out this way. I'm gonna level it off. Oops. And then we need a 1/2 more. Great. Now we're gonna fold this up. Thank you, Mr. No, for holding that.
You're welcome.
Okay. Now we're gonna throw this in our bag here and zip up the bag. Watch what happens. You got a good shot, Mr. No?
I do.
Oh, seal it up, seal it up, seal it up. So we're just talking about the 3 states of matter. You see all these bubbles? That means we have gas forming inside of the bag. Oh, it will probably explode this way. So, we'll just wait and wait and wait. So it is getting more gas and more gas, and the gas needs to take up more and more space. We'll see how long it takes. Oh, we're supposed to shake it, I think, too. I forgot, but it's about to go, so I don't want to. So Ms. Hillock missed a procedure. I was supposed to shake the bag, so it's gonna take a little more time. We're waiting, we're waiting. Maybe I'll put in some music.
Yeah, maybe a clock sound.
Should I shake it? Should I shake
You might
it?
be able to agitate it back and forth.
Because I missed the shaking step.
Mhm.
Oh, here we go. Here we
Yeah,
go.
That's the stuff.
Man, this is a strong bag.
I know.
Oh, it's starting to fizz out there. It's finding a pocket. Oh, it's gonna squirt you. My goodness. I mean, if you're looking for a brand of bags to buy, this is a good brand. It has to go eventually. Come on. Now, I have so much anticipation.
Oh my goodness. Has like cat ears now.
Yeah, the video, YouTube didn't even have it this big. Oh my goodness, I think it's all just oozing out. Come on, come on, come on! Shake, shake, shake! I think it's gonna come.
Oh, there it is.
There it is!
Oh.
Oh, there's the big hole right there. Look at all the gas coming out, all these bubbles.
Oh
And
my.
remember, bubbles are gas inside of liquid. Wow!
Good job.
Yay! Wow, you know, that was a wait, but I think that was fun. Okay, now we're gonna clean up. Thanks, Mr. No.
You're welcome. Turn up.
Yep.